Okay, so that's these 5 competitors in the game, but these 5 competitors are out. Moving to round 2. Busy Bee James versus Steamalong Thomas. Shooting Star Gordon from Playrail versus Snowy Spencer. And the Playrail N700 versus... Oh. Let's just move on. Trackmaster Revolutionize Busy Bee James versus Tony Steamalong Thomas. On your marks, get set, go! Go! Sorry about that. There goes Busy Bee James. Here comes Steamalong Thomas. Catching up to James. And, oh, there goes Busy Bee James's tender. Oh, he's back on the tracks. Oh. Oh, it's happened already. Oh, gotcha, James. Gotcha. Whew. That was close. James almost fell off the table. But the Tony Steamalong Thomas wins. Next contestants. Shooting Star Gordon versus Snowy Spencer. Off you two go. Ready, set, go! And, oh! Oh! I thought it happened more better with, the Percy and the Playrail Evans 700. I should have set Gordon to this speed motion. But nevertheless, the Shooting Star wins round 2. Snowy Spencer is out. Okay, so Busy Bee James and Snowy Spencer are out of round 2. The Tony Steamalong Thomas, Playrail Shooting Star, and N700 are left. So, let's try out the Playrail N700 versus Tony Steamalong Thomas. Okay, on your marks, get set, go! Oh! That wasn't supposed to happen, was it? Oh. No, it wasn't. It wasn't supposed to happen at all. Okay, I think I figured it out. It's, again, the Playrail N700 versus the Tony Steamalong Thomas. I actually switched the Tony Steamalong Thomas around because, well, he'll go this way, up the loop track, then over these set of points, then around back to where the Playrail N700 will come to. Alright, on your mark, get set. Winner moves to the 4th and final round, I think. Go! Okay, just like it's planned. And here comes it. Oh! The Tony Steamalong Thomas got knocked off the rails first, but the Playrail N700 got knocked off too! Oh. I don't know if we should or shouldn't have a rematch. Let's have a look at that clip and see what we can find. I mean, let's have a look at the video and see it again for ourselves.
And here comes it.
The video has been watched over about a few times, and a decision has been made. The Tommy Steamalong Thomas was knocked off the rails first, and the Playrail N700 was knocked off after him. So, the Tommy Steamalong Thomas is out of round 3. Better luck next time, Tommy Steamalong Thomas. So, it's the Shooting Star Gordon versus the Playrail N700. So let's get through this final round of the high-speed train demolition derby and see which of those two competitors will win and become the high-speed train of summer. Besides Flying Scotsman. On your mark, get set, go! There comes the Playrail N700 up behind Gordon, or the Shooting Star. Oh! That was unexpected. The Playrail N700 is knocked off the track. Wow. Okay, so, hold, Shooting Star! That was those 4 competitors out of round 1. The Busy Bee James and Snowy Spencer out of round 2, the Tommy Steamalong Thomas out of round 3, and the Playrail N700 out of round 4. So, the Playrail Shooting Star is the winner! And he'll be named the High-Speed Train or High-Speed Engine of Summer! Isn't that awesome? Wow, congratulations, Shooting Star! Thank you, Train Boy 54. I am honored to be the high-speed train of summer. Well, that's just about it for this year, folks. Hope to see you again next time on the high-speed train demolition derby for next summer.